Welcome. Today we're going to do another oil change on the Lancer. Of course, jack up your car as usual and secure it with jack stands. Make sure you adjust the jack stands so that they're in a safe place to hold up the weight of the vehicle. Get your drip pan ready and loosen your drain plug. This one is a 17mm. Try to take off your oil filter by hand. In this case it was pretty stuck on there. I wonder who did this last. Oh yeah, it was me. Don't fret, get your favorite oil filter removal tool. In this case I use a pair of channel locks. It takes a while, but once you get the right angle on it, you can twist it off. Once you get it started, it comes off easy by hand. I'll show you that process here.
Listen up, says my teacher. In front of the class, he says if you're not a believer, I'll love you, that's on you. Better shape up and pay your dues. I'll love you, that's on you. I'll be on a flight soon to the end. I sing you. Gotta know all this propaganda. How do you do? Better that I learn my own medicine for you. I'm never gonna make them think I'll stand there. For all the things that I've said, wishing a breath, like the fire you'll soon remember. Ooh. I'll be on the fleets until the end, I'm singing. Ooh, drowning out all this propaganda. How do you do? For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, I let loose. Don't mind if I do. For all the things that I've said, pushing me closer to the edge. Hand like John, I let loose. Don't mind if I do.
Don't say we can't, oh, just don't say another word. These thoughts you've imagined aren't real, aren't adding up. You fetched your ideas from nowhere, all from another world. Your logic's impaired, your full picture is cropped. Cause we both know that one day they're just gonna try again. Without doubt, it's my say, if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, cause this ain't the end. We both know that one day the sun's gonna
Reinsert your drain plug with a healthy gasket on it.
We both know that one day they're just gonna try again. Without doubt, my say, if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, cause this ain't the end. Dear right brain, you're so far off, oh, it's like you can't see ahead. These feelings you've caught don't make sense, your plan's gonna flop. You keep raising doubts without cause, all you feel is dread. My logic is fair, if it's pain, it's ever gonna stop. Cause we both know that one day he's not gonna cry again. Without doubt, it's my say, if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, cause this ain't the end. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, cause this ain't the end.
And clean off the mating surface where the oil filter attaches to the engine.
É desse jeito, é desse jeito. Só leva chifre quem não faz amor direito. É desse jeito, é desse jeito. Só leva chifre quem não faz amor direito. Só leva chifre quem não faz amor direito. E mais um.
Camisinha ruim, quase não satisfaz. Mas hoje eu tô vendo a falta que ela me faz.
One thing I was taught when doing oil changes is to check all rubber components on the suspension. If you see any of them broken, or you can pull on them with your hand and see if they move. But the very minimum visual inspection to see if anything looks out of place or leaking or wrong. Now's a good time to perform it. Good thing I was checking. This lower control arm ball joint boot is ripped and it looks like all the grease has kind of leaked out onto the steering knuckle. So this will have to be replaced at a later time. Stay on the lookout for that video.
Como ficar rico se nós tem pensão demais? Se eu vou lá no sapo me chama de pai, na igrejinha me chama de pai. Se eu e como ficar rico se
Grab some fresh oil and lube up the gasket on the new oil filter. Install the oil filter, only hand tight.
Gave you all that I could give, but it wasn't enough. Oh, tried to show me how to live when I was numb. And why did I never listen when you would listen to me and make the wrong decisions, resisting the help I need. Oh, I know I could have done better.
Go ahead and clean up any oil that you may have spilt at this time or that has leaked onto the engine. And it's a good idea to inspect the engine, make sure nothing is leaking. Everything seems dry here. Whenever you're ready, you can remove your oil pan, and if you're satisfied with your inspections, it's time to lower the vehicle off of the jack stands.
So sick and tired of trying to listen.
Now we're ready to add oil to the engine. Once you've added enough, it's a good idea to check the oil dipstick. It should be between the full and low marks. But in this case, since we haven't started the engine and filled the oil filter yet, it can be a little bit above it. But once you start it, let it run a few seconds. After shutting the engine off, check the oil dipstick again and make sure it's between the full and low marks. This dipstick has 2 holes in it for low and full, so as long as it's between those, you're good. You set your oil change reminder light. Check for leaks under the car, and you're done. Thank you for watching.
baby,